Hey guys, very good evening. How are you? So hope you are really well. You are not going outside. You are staying home because the lockdown is continuously getting extended, and it's I know becoming difficult for you to resume your college. And so the only thing that you most of you are doing is doing online learning. So today we have, as you know, there was some surprise news I wanted to share. We at Coding Blogs wanted to throw some surprise. So and we had also made some posts about that, and a lot of you had made guesses as well. Okay, so I hope I am audible to everyone who is watching this session, right? So just send me a hi so that I can see. Uh, okay, there are a couple of messages I can see on the screen. So yeah. Uh, Hi, right. So now I can see a lot of highs. So there was a meme by our team that you must have seen on the Instagram, and you also made some guesses. So a lot of you had made guesses around giveaways. So spin and win is one way to give you guys free courses. Okay. So yeah, so you can see we are back with another version of spin and win that's there on Coding Blocks online. So a lot of you have already tried. So who all have tried to get the spin today? Who have already have spun the wheel? So just give me a shout out in the comments. Okay, so give a shout out who already have spun the wheel and they have got something. Just tell me in the comments what you have got by spinning the wheel. If you have not done, then you can go to Coding Blocks online. You can go to online.codingblocks.com. You will see the section on spinning the wheel, and it's really cool. Very nice UI. This time, the wheel has new items, new courses, uh, something like that. And you can see there are. You will get some spins daily. So those who have not uh, tried, you can try to spin. So I have 4 spins, but you will get 1 spin, because if you want to get more spins, you have to refer friends. So I referred 4 of my friends, so I got 4 spins from the Coding Blocks. So great. Yashwant got a free course, others got some courses. uh, Great, 75%. It's cool. Rufus says it's cool. So good to see you guys are enjoying this fun game. But there is another news that I want to share. So Gulfam got 2 free courses. Lucky Gulfam. Great, great, great. So a lot of students are winning. Okay, so there is also hard luck, but getting a better luck next time is also really hard. Okay, you won't get that easily. If you really have a hard luck, you will get better luck next time as well. Okay, so let me try to spin and see what I end up getting. So I have already tried 2 spins. I don't know what I am going to get. Okay, so I got better luck next time, but in my first 2 spins I won something. So you can keep on trying. It's going to run till 13th of June, and you can see also you will get at least 500 CB credits if you uh, end up getting hard luck on your first spin. Okay, so that's something you will definitely get even if you don't get anything. Okay. Okay, so Pratik says he got a 75% off. Even I got a 75% off. You can see I just won a 75% off coupon. And out of my 4 spins, I won 2 coupons. Okay, so you are trying for 100% off. So there are users who have won 100% off. The thing is, you have to keep trying. You have to get more spins. The more you spin, the more is the chance of getting more different type of coupons. Okay, so you can also calculate the expectation to get all types of coupons. So those who are in my competitive programming course, they can solve this as a coupon collector problem, and they can estimate the number of spins required to get all possible coupons. Okay, So you can just solve it like a mathematical challenge as well. But anyways, it's fun. You can try. Matlab, it's based upon luck. You can see how lucky you are. Okay. And Harsh also tried. He got something. He got a free course. How to get the spin. Okay. So once you log in, once you have sign up, you have a verified account on Coding Blocks Online. That means your email and the mobile number is verified. Then you will definitely get a spin. Okay. Up to how much time I can spin. Okay, so let's come to the rules of the game. So rules are very simple. You will get one free spin daily till 13th of June. So these spins will not get accumulated. Okay, so if you do not use your spin today, you will not get two spins next day. Okay, so you have to use your spin daily. So starting from today till 13th of June, you will get n number of spins, where n is the number of days from today to 13th. Okay, and since evening we have got around 8,400 spins. And last time when we launched this campaign in December last year, we got around 75,000 spins in 1 week. So let's see if we can hit that 75,000 target that we achieved last time. So I'm hoping that this time we should cross 1 lakh. Okay. And also, okay, Rahul says he got a free course. And in any case, you are stuck, you need some help. If in case maybe someone said I was not able to use buy one get one coupon, so you can just drop an email to snw@codingblocks.com in case you need any help related to spin and win. Okay, if it is an issue with a spin or something like that, you can just report it and we will be happy to solve your queries on that. Okay, and also there is one more information, more uh, interesting thing that we are going to do is I'm going to take an online session how to build this spin and win game. Okay, so you can build this game for any shopping website, you can build this game for any personal project as well. So I'm going to take a session. So we have invited few selected colleges for the session, but I'm also giving you guys a chance to come and attend this session. So we will do live coding. I will explain you how this is built, and the session will be held tomorrow, that is on Sunday 7th of June from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it won't be a public session on YouTube, so it will be invitation based session. Okay, so that means you have to register for the session, and then you will get the link to attend the session. Okay, so you have to fill up this small form. I want to attend this session. Why? You need to fill in your details, and let me give you the link of the form so that you guys can register for the workshop in which we are going to build the spin and win game. Okay, yeah, I'm giving you the link for the session. Okay, so I think the short link is cb.lk/learnspin. Okay, yeah, this is the short link, so I'll just write it down here. Okay, so register for the session that is going to be held on Sunday. Okay, so if you get the invite via email and SMS, then you can come for the session. So it is going to be cb.lk/learnspin. Okay, so this is the link. So Anik is asking, what are the prerequisites for the session? Very good question. So since this is made in JavaScript, so also I will show you one more thing. Pulkit Bhaiya, who is also managing the Android app of Coding Blocks, he has implemented it in the Android as well. So you can see the demo. It's the new version of the app is coming tonight, and you can also play spin and win on the app itself. Okay, so it's implemented in web, it's implemented in Android, but the session will be focused on the web version. We will discuss how to implement it using JavaScript. So Anik has asked me, what are the prerequisites for the session? So as such, you should be familiar with basics of JavaScript. If you want to brush up few things that are really relevant, so what you need to do, you need to go to this course, data structures in real life projects, and you need to click this button, try it for free. Okay, so once you go through this course, you will see the first section, programming in JavaScript. So this section is free, and I will suggest you, if you want to understand the session in a more okay, if you're not familiar with the basics of JavaScript, I will suggest you to cover the basics of JavaScript through the videos that I have given in this particular section. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Okay, so Shashank says, thanks, Bhaiya. Excited for that session. Okay, so it will be tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so this is the link. So I will just show you registered for the spin and win session, and you can make this project for your resume as well. Okay. Okay. So guys, keep on trying. You are definitely going to win a few things during this entire period. Okay. So Mohammed, you will get an email. Okay, do check your email. It might be possible that the email is going into the promotions or the not in your inbox folder, but we have sent an email, and there will be two coupons. Okay, and you can, in any case, if you're not able to claim your winnings, you can just drop an email. Your issue will be resolved within 1 day. Okay, so what is the probability of each prize? Okay, so Aditya, that is a secret. Okay, and I can just tell you that is not uniform. Okay, it's not a uniform probability distribution, so that underlying distribution is a secret. Okay, but yeah, so definitely it's not a fair wheel. So there are some things which have a higher probability. There are few things which have a lower probability. Let's say the 100% coupon. Okay, so that's the most priciest thing. So it's obviously it's going to have a lower probability. Okay, it's not going to be 1/12. It's not. It's going to be less than that. Okay. So Himanshu, whatever issue you're facing is you guys just drop an email, because it's a new thing that we have launched. It is possible that some of the corner cases we might have faced, we might have uh, not covered, but if you raise an issue, we come to know, okay, this is a problem, and we immediately fix that. Okay. Okay. Is there any course for machine learning and deep learning? Okay. So I will just show you. So recently, okay, so we had a data science track. Now we have extended that track to include more AI oriented topics such as reinforcement learning. Okay, so if you want to go into Python, data science, machine learning, you can see these courses. We start with the Python fundamentals, then we have a course on Python for data science, then we have a course on machine learning, then we have a course on deep learning, and then we have a course on reinforcement learning. Okay, so this course I and Ritesh are currently making. It will be available. It's available to. You can start with the course, but some of the topics in this course are pending that we will be adding every week. Okay, so we will be adding one section every week. So few of the topics that are in the end, like policy gradients, gameplay, deep reinforcement learning, and a capstone project. So we are working on those topics, and as soon as they get completed, so probably by 15th or 20th of July, the course will be complete, and you can also try out this course. Okay, so it's going to be an interesting course. It's going to be an advanced course. So some of you were asking what's this reinforcement learning course and spin and win. So you can see here it is. Okay, you can grab the coupons, and you can get the RL course as well. Okay. So how do I get a coupon for ML and AI? Okay, so you can see there are some generic coupons like 50% off, 100% off, 75% off, and 40% off. Okay, so if you win one of these coupons are applicable across all the courses, and you can grab them. Okay. Will light courses have a WhatsApp group? Okay, good question, Somit. So a WhatsApp group generally we have is for important announcements. So we on the online we have functionality to give you notifications. Okay, so if there are some announcements that we have to send to students, we send it through notifications. Okay, you can see these are the notifications. Like I added a section on policy based data structures in the STL and the competitive course, so I shoot a notification to those students. But for the light students, if you want to discuss doubts, okay, what you need to do, you need to go to discuss.codingblocks.com, and you can find similar doubts. Okay, you can filter questions. You can say, okay, I want to search for a question in the C++ course, and someone is like having a problem in hollow diamond course. You can go through our forums. Okay, so or you can post new topics in forums. Okay, so it's like a community support. Okay, we do not have a prioritized TA support for the light course, but we have a community support in which you can explore. It's like a Stack Overflow community. Okay, someone has asked the same doubt, you will find the solution there on the discuss. Okay, link for the courses. Okay, so all the courses that are there on the website online.codingblocks.com. If you are very peculiar about that, you want to go into particular domain, so I will suggest you to go into the tracks kind of a thing, and then explore for the courses. Okay, like if you want to go for the interview preparation, so so these are the recommended courses that we suggest. You first do data structures and algorithms. Okay, that's taught by me. Then there is a small course on 150 company specific questions for fan companies, and there is a DP merge to problem set that covers some of the advanced DP topics as well. Okay. uh, Right. So, Rishabh, which course you have enrolled? So, we are planning some sessions for the ML and data science students, and we are also planning some sessions for the competitive programming students. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, if you just want to see what all courses we are offering, you can to choose specific courses such as graph algorithms or dynamic programming or competitive programming or whatever. Okay, so if you want to do a course on competitive problems, you can also take that. Okay. Karan says you just checked out my doubt. uh, right, so Amrit says 1 month extension. Okay, so Amrit, you can drop us an email. We will handle it your case to case basis. Okay. Harsh, I will suggest drop an email or wait for a day. If your issue would be fixed by our team, okay, it could be just because we have launched this today evening only, and we will check. And even if your friend didn't get a spin, and if there is an issue from our side, we will add a spin to his account. Okay, maybe 2 spins next day. In the free course option, which course we get free? Okay, so I think there are a couple of options, 3 or 4 options. So those who have win, they can tell what courses you guys are winning. Okay, when will the premium member get their goodies? So good question. So regarding goodies, probably in July we will start the shipment, because there are certain logistic issues. Some of our Most of our goodies come from Bangalore, and they come to Delhi, and then they come to our center, and then we ship them to all across India. But there are some logistic issues. Borders are also sealed. Our center is not yet operational because of COVID. So it may take some time, maybe 1 or 2 more months. But definitely those who were enrolled for the premium courses, they will get their goodies on their address. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for your suggestions. We will think over it. Okay, so maybe if not this time, the next time we come up with some more exciting campaign, we will definitely do something about it. So Okay, Shan, we will consider it. Okay, but I can't commit anything as of now. But yeah, Amrit, the schedule is almost ready. You will get an email in next 2 3 days, and I'm going to take some sessions for you guys. Okay, on data science. Okay, so there is some request for non-coding part for interviews. So we are working on a course on system design, which will cover OS DBMS and how to approach system design problems that will be beneficial for SD1, SD2 roles. So we will try to share those topics with the existing interview preparation guys as well, and it will be launched as a separate course as well. Okay, so those who are worried about how to prepare for the non-coding topics, maybe in few weeks we will have a new course on the website on system design that will cover your OS DBMS and how to design applications. Okay, low level design and high level design. Okay, roadmap video for data science. Okay, noted. Okay, so we have someone who had been working at Amazon for 2 3 years. He's going to mentor you for the system design course. Okay. Hi Anuj. So what is 500 CB credits? Okay. So what happens is when you go to buy some courses, either you can apply discount coupons. If you don't have any discount coupons, you can also apply your wallet credits. Okay. For example, if I buy this course and I will just show you what is credits. Okay, so it says Dukan credits. So these many credits I have. Okay, and I can apply some credits to grab this course. Okay, so I think the limit is 25% of the credits I can apply, and this will help me to get some discount on the course. Okay, so if you are getting credits, you can use these credits to get some discounts as well. Networking videos we will add. Okay, so all known coding part will be covered in the system design course, so you do not need to worry. Okay. Sumit, just check your email. All the details will be there on the email. How to apply the coupon on what courses? Okay, where to use those earned coupons? Okay, so once you have got a coupon, for example, I got this coupon. Okay, so do not copy my coupon to claim yours. Okay, so I'll just copy this coupon and maybe let me try to buy the Kotlin course. I go to explore, I go to buy now, replace, I apply the coupon, and you can see. Okay, so this is how you will apply the free coupon. Okay, code nahi chal raha. So the code is one time use only. If you have used the code, then you cannot use it again, and the code is okay. Still, if you get any issue, you can just drop in an email at snw@codingblocks.com. Okay. Asif, we will try to cover OS in detail in the course that I said. Okay. So Somit, ethical hacking पे कोई course नहीं आ रहा है. There are no plans to make ethical hacking videos because we do not believe in ethical hacking. Okay. And okay, so there was a video done by Arnav about how you should become a hacker. Okay, so you can see on our YouTube channel interview with Ananya, and Arnav did that interview and he gave you tips about how to be a good hacker. Okay, any course on Flutter? Not yet, but maybe in coming months. Okay. So Ankit, I think there are 4 or 5 courses. Check your email for that. Okay. How to share link to a friend? Please show a demo. Okay. So I think not got a spin initially. Okay. So anyone who is facing any issue, drop an email. If possible, we will also give you spin of today. We will add the spin into your account. Okay. Okay. Referral thing is it's pretty easy. So you need to share this link with your friends. If they sign up using this link, okay, so this is my link, this is my referral link, and if they join or if they sign up on Coding Blocks Online, they do your email and mobile number verification, then you will get spins in your account. Okay, so this is how you will get it. Okay, so if your account is not verified, either the phone number or the email, you may not get a spin. Okay, so make sure you verify your phone number and the email, and then you will able to get your spins. And also every day you're going to get 1 spin. Okay, so I think I have cleared all your doubts related to spin and win. So course on Swift and iOS is not planned yet. React course is there. React for beginners course is there on the website. The advanced course on React will be available in coming months. Okay. Okay. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you in tomorrow's session. So I'm again repeating those who came late. I'm going to take a workshop tomorrow on spin and win, how you can build your own spin and win game by writing some JavaScript code. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm also going to use Phaser 3 that I used to build my interactive resume. So you will get an idea how to use Phaser, how to work with JavaScript, and how to build your own spin and win project. So we will build this project next day, and I also covered this project in one of the course, and this is one of my students built after watching the video. So we will try to code this tomorrow. Okay, so this is going to be a project. Sorry, I just forgot to add the screen. Yeah, so this is what I'm showing you. This is what we are going to this is what we are going to build in the tomorrow's workshop. So if you have not registered for the workshop, it's based upon invite. Register for the workshop now at this link, cb.lk/learn spin. Okay, so there is no X here. Okay. So workshop will be a private session on YouTube. Those who will register for the session, they will get a link to join the workshop. It will be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and only through the link. Okay. And there will be a certificate for attending the session. And also those guys who will complete a project within 3 days, they will write the code, they will implement a project like this. So I will give free courses to top 10 projects as well. Okay, so you have to submit your project. I will share the link for the project submission in the workshop, and once you submit the project, and those guys can also win some courses. Okay, can we hack your spin and win after your workshop? Maybe, maybe not. But I think it's going to be difficult. Okay, so but you will be able to build your own spin and win. Okay, so let me just give you a final link. So this is going to be the link for the workshop. I think the code for our spin and win is already on GitHub. People are contributing in Boss as well. So I think they can see the code. You can also see the code. And I don't know if you can hack it or not. Okay. And boss this year is going pretty great. I see we are seeing a lot of excitement in the boss as well, and lot of students are getting bounding points as well. So if you have not started contributing in the boss, you can start today. Okay. And yeah. Okay. ठीक है दोस्तों, आज के लिए आई थिंक काफ़ी है। एक बस छोटा सा आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन ही देना था, बट काफ़ी सारे आपके क्वेश्चंस आ गए, सो आई हैड टू आंसर देम। सो यू कैन सी द लिंक हियर, दिस इज द लिंक फॉर द वर्कशॉप, रजिस्टर फॉर द वर्कशॉप, and then you will be able to build the projects. Okay. Okay. And thanks a lot, and bye bye, and good night, guys. So I hope you all stay safe, stay at home, and study hard, because the competition is going to be lot harder this year, especially those guys who are in third year and fourth year. The situation, the hiring this year is going to be really, really tough. There is no update on campus hirings, how many companies are coming, how many are not coming. So it's a very difficult time right now. Okay, so you should focus on learning more and more content, practice more and more questions, do interview preparation, learn extra skills. Okay, the more skills you have in the market, the higher is the chance of you getting into a good package, especially for third year and the fourth year students. Okay. Okay, so one last question. I'm not able to focus, means I'm not able to sit for long hours to study. So sitting for long hours is not necessary. Okay, you can sit for 40 minutes, you can take a break of 20 minutes, you can spend another 40 minutes. Okay, one tool that I will just tell you, you guys can use to track your coding activity and stay motivated is Walker Time. Okay, so let me show you what is Walker Time. So Walker Time is it's a tool that tracks your daily coding activity, how much time you spend on thinking code, how much time you spend on different coding projects, or even doing competitive coding. And it has plugins that are supported in all major IDs. You can install it on your system, and if possible, you can make a group with your friends and you can compete with them. Okay, so that will really help you to track your time, how much you are studying, how much your friends are doing. And one of the guys that I would like to give example, so Naman Kumar, who was student at Coding Blocks, then he did an intern at Coding Blocks, then he won Bountiful Open Source Summer. So at times he was in his third year, he was spending 60 to 70 hours coding per week. So it's, you can assume he was doing 8 to 10 hours coding every day, but that much coding is really not required if you just spend 3 to 4 hours daily. Okay, so somewhere around 30 hours a week, that would be enough to uh, help you master any topic, any interviews. But you should be focused, you should be dedicated, and also do not waste a lot of time watching Netflix or other social media posts. Focus on your skills. Okay, so this is the time you can make use of, because कॉलेज जब खुल जाएंगे तो अगेन कॉलेज के पंगे हो जाएंगे, पेपर आ गए, असाइनमेंट्स आ गए, सबमिशंस आ गए, प्रोजेक्ट्स आ गए, अभी भी चल रहा होगा, बट उतना उतना टाइम आपके पास अभी एक्स्ट्रा है, आप कवर अप कर सकते हो. ओके, राघव कह रहा है विल इट बी ओके इफ आई स्टिक ओनली टू द मोबाइल डेवलपमेंट. राघव, अगर आप प्रोडक्ट कंपनीज टारगेट कर रहे हो तो कुछ कंपनीज होंगी जो आपको सिर्फ वेब के बेसिस पे ले लेंगी, बट आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप डीएस एल्गो तो कर ही लो. मतलब if you want to increase your chances of getting into a product company, DS Algo is must do. Okay, so 90% of the companies, 90% of your interview is about DS Algo. So if you're not good at problem solving, you are likely to get rejected. So that is the first and the most important thing that you have to do. Okay, creating an issue gives points in the boss. Yes, you can create issues, you can find bugs in the app, you can find bugs in the website, and according to the criticality of the bug, you can get some bounties as well. There will be other students who will be solving the issues. There will be some students who will be creating the issues. So it all goes hand in hand. Okay. सो एक डाउट है, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग फॉर इंटरव्यूज. सो डीपी में यार मैं कुछ चीजें बता देता हूँ. डीपी में देर आर सम क्लासिकल प्रॉब्लम सच एज नैपसैक प्रॉब्लम, LCS प्रॉब्लम, LIS प्रॉब्लम. उसको करने के भी देर आर मल्टीपल वेज लाइक एन-log-n अप्रोच, n-square अप्रोच एंड रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन मैचिंग. तो आई विल सजेस्ट कि आप 20-30 जो क्लासिकल प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको लगा लो. उसके बाद you also go with some other variations of DP, how to use DP with bit masking. Okay, so ad coded DP contest is one resource where you can practice different type of DP problems. Coding blocks के DP courses हैं, वहाँ पे भी you can get sufficient practice of DP. We have around 200 plus videos and problems covered in that course, and that will cover all possible variations. Okay, so the more possible variations you see, the more likely you will be able to map a new problem with the problem that you have solved. Okay, so mostly जब भी आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, so जितने भी लोग क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे होते हैं 90% ऑफ द टाइम ऐसा ही होता है कि जब भी एक नया क्वेश्चन आता है, इफ यू आर एबल टू मैप इट टू अ क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड इन द पास्ट. ओके, नॉट एग्जैक्ट द सेम क्वेश्चन बट अ सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन. आपने लेट्स से कुछ हीप का एप्लीकेशन यूज करके कुछ मैक्सिमम 5 एलिमेंट्स निकाले थे या कुछ के एलिमेंट्स निकाले थे, तो उससे मिलता जुलता कुछ क्वेश्चन आएगा कि रनिंग स्ट्रीम में ये निकालना है वो निकालना है, तो यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, so practice is also the key. So the more variation you see, the more likely you are able to solve a problem. और डीपी में कुछ कुछ बहुत ही एडवांस टॉपिक्स हैं जिनको आप छोड़ सकते हो. उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो आई हैव डन अ वीडियो, आई हैव अ वेबिनार ऑन डीपी, यू कैन जस्ट वॉच इट and you will get a lot of tips how to approach DP based questions. Okay, so OS is not all companies are going to ask you, but you will find some MCQs. For example, अगर आप Amazon का campus recruitment test दोगे, so in my year and also in the following years, Amazon gives you somewhere around I think 30 MCQs followed by 2-3 coding questions. So in those questions you will find some OS related concepts such as the questions on LRU cache, questions on paging, questions on virtual memory, questions on deadlocks, questions on synchronization. तो OS के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी बुक है. You can see in my book rack also there is a book called Galvin. So Galvin के first I think 10 या 12 चैप्टर्स आपको पढ़ने हैं. So अगर आप वो पढ़ लेते हो तो आपका OS इंटरव्यूज के लिए निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. टिप्स टू मास्टर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. सो पहला टिप ये है कि सबसे पहले यू शुड लर्न टू इम्प्लीमेंट ऑल द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स वन बाय वन. खुद से इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. ठीक है, मतलब स्टैक का लॉजिक समझो, स्टैक को पढ़ो, स्टैक को इम्प्लीमेंट करो. ठीक है, ट्री का लॉजिक समझो, ट्री को पढ़ो, ट्री को इम्प्लीमेंट करो. बेसिक ऑपरेशंस, इंसर्ट, डिलीट, सर्च. उसके बाद आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ यूज करना है. तो जैसे अगर BST की बात करूं तो आपको पता होना चाहिए सर्च करने की कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या है. ठीक है, एंड देन यू आल्सो थिंक ऑफ सम रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशंस कि यार अगर मेरे को ट्री यूज करना है तो मैं कहाँ पे यूज करूंगा ट्री. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप अपना डेस्कटॉप का स्ट्रक्चर देखते हो, ठीक है, ऑन योर लेट्स से ऑन योर विंडोज मशीन और ऑन योर OS, if you see your data structure, you can see there is a folder which contains subfolders and those subfolders contains files. So this is an example of a tree like structure. Okay, so think of real life examples. मेस में आप खाना खाना चाहते हो, ठीक है, सो आपको प्लेट्स कैसे मिलती हैं. प्लेट्स का आपको पाइल मिलता है एंड जो प्लेट सबसे ऊपर धुल के आप बाद में आती है वो सबसे ऊपर रखी जाती है. सो दैट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्टैक. ओके, ATM में आप कैश नोट्स विड्रॉ करने चाहते हो, दैट इज आल्सो एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्टैक. ओके, सो रियल लाइफ से प्रोग्रामिंग को जोड़ के पढ़ो, आपका इंटरेस्ट भी डेवलप होगा, आपका मन भी करेगा इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए. Once you have done with the basic implementation, start solving problems. Okay, आपको बहुत सारी वेबसाइट्स पे उन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल हैकर रैंक पे आपको बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे, हैकर ब्लॉक्स पे मिल जाएंगे, कोडिंग ब्लॉक्स ऑनलाइन का आप कोर्स कर सकते हो. तो चीजें आपको कर करके आएंगे. ओके, नॉट बाय रीडिंग बुक्स, नॉट बाय वाचिंग अदर पीपल कोड, नॉट बाय सीइंग ट्यूटोरियल्स. ठीक है, नो डाउट उससे आपको हेल्प मिलेगी, बट जब तक आप खुद से कोड नहीं लिखोगे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स का, आपको डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स क्लियर नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ठीक है गाइस, तो आई थिंक एनफ टिप्स फॉर टुडे एंड आपको कल के सेशन में आई विल ग्रीट यू एंड बी प्रिपेयर्ड. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन द लिंक फॉर द वर्कशॉप and do register for the session and we will show you how to build your own spin and win app. And जो लोग बाद में आए हैं they can try the spin and win app on coding blocks online. Thank you, bye bye and good night.